bum 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 ba da ba dum. Wee 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 wee. Sparky! Sparky, where are you? He's the son and he's the father. The son is taller than the father, and you'll see why later. Sparky, where are you? We need to keep looking harder. Meanwhile, at the sheds, Gamble Gamble North. Gamble Gamble North. Pika! Pika Pika! Pika Pika! Dankar! Ginkar! Sparky, where are you? Maybe we should look inside this train. He could be hiding there. I don't know. Come on. Ah. Wait, why is this train snoring? Because some trains on this island have faces. They looked and looked. Da 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 da. Gamble, gamble, yours. It's an alien! Run, Jimmy! Oh, Dad, there's no need to run. Gamby Gamble, Gamby Gorf. I'll use my hand language. Insert hand language here. Gamble, Gamby Gorf. So, I've never been to this planet before. Are humans tasty? I want to try one. No, you don't try humans here. Here's what you do. You eat healthy fruits and vegetables. I eat healthy fruits and vegetables? Yes. Or meat. Yeah, you can eat meat. Just don't eat humans. Okay, and where can I find this meat? Sounds yummy. There's actually some right there. Moo. See, right next to me. Okay, I guess I'll take some. Wait, how do I get it? You gotta kill it. Oh, well, that seems easy. Yum, 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 yum. This meat is delicious. I have to thank you so much for telling me about this delicious meat. Well, you're welcome, I guess, but that was a little bit too violent. Want to be friends? Yes, I'd love to be friends. Okay, well, wait, how old are you? I'm 10. When you're 16, I'll send you down a UFO to take you to our planet. Then you can visit us. Really? Yeah. Except you have to keep the door shut because people talk a lot sometimes. Door shut? What are you talking about? Don't you know? Anyways, I have to go back to my nonsense. We can't let anyone know about this. Okay. You can understand what I'm saying, yeah? Right? Okay. Yes. Yeah, of course. It'd be fun to visit your planet. Of course I'm sure. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yes, it is going to be fun. I'm going. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, alien. But you'll send me down a rocket ship so I can see you when I'm 16 again, right? Beep beep. Yay! Gibba gabba gibba gibba gabba. Hug. Gibba gibba gibba. Yes, of course we'll hug it out. Well, gibba 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 gabba. Wait, your spaceship is crashed? Oh, just take James. He can fly anywhere. Gibba gamble? Huh? What's going on? Ah! Oh, I'm gonna miss that alien, but I'll see him again in 6 years. You actually handled talking to that alien? Yeah? Wait, what's that giant hand doing? Ow! Ow! Wait. You fell in the process of taking James? Gib. Oh no. Oh no. Gibba gamma 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 ga. What he said was, we'll see you guys in the next video. So I guess we'll be yay! Gamma gamma! Gimme gimme gamma! Bye! See you in the next alien tally, Gibba gabba gibba, gibba 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 goo. Okay, I think we should end this. So, how do you end this? Oh, wait a minute. I see what you do. All you have to do is press this little button right here. So, we'll see you guys in the next Alien Trilogy video. Focus camera. Gabble gabble, gabble gabble. So we'll see you guys in the next Alien Trilogy video. Bye.